First things first is make sure to renew, for everyone to make sure they renew their intention, so that inshallah, whatever we are going to be doing for the next couple of days gets accepted as reward.
Allah wants you to be closer to Him. He wants you to increase in ibadah. He wants you to remember Him more. When you turn back to Allah, this is what Allah wants. He tests you not to punish you, but because He wants to strengthen that relationship that you need most in your life, the relationship with Allah SWT.
We have a number of brothers who work in departments, certain brothers that lead the teams on the fortnightly events. These brothers, they need a bit more mentoring so that they can be leaders to the best of their ability.
Okay, let me explain it. The two rules everyone's confused about. +2 can go on +2, or 4 can go on 2, or 4 can go on 4.
Yeah, right on.
The main thing in that whole story is a test of sincerity, and at the end only the sincere ones were successful.
Alhamdulillah, we're blessed to be brothers of the masjid, but there's some people that aren't, and they need that help, they need that someone to guide them.
When we give them that special time, we give them a bit more attention, then inshallah we hope that when they do come back to their departments and their teams, they are actually able to lead more effectively and also instill in their followers and in their team members more of the qualities that NextGen aims to achieve in everyone that comes.
Why did you? You didn't finish?
Oh, everyone's finished?
Yeah.
If you think about the task itself, it sounds impossible. Like something so impossible, and then you got to a solution. And that's the essence of courage. Like courage is when you're able to turn your weaknesses into strengths.
And that way, there's purpose towards your vision, because you know you'll be leaving something behind for people to benefit from.
The Messenger ﷺ said, "There's a tree amongst trees, the leaves of which do not wither, and that is like a Muslim."